Turning the sound system on, start by making sure all the power is switched on behind the desk here. And then over here, we'll turn the sound system on at the back. And we'll let that load up. And once it's loaded, we can then turn the amps on down there. Okay, once it's all up and running, you plug your computer in using this cable here into the microphone jack, and on the desk to get your sound running, we've got our master here, and then we've got auxiliary, which is channels 11 and 12, these ones here. So turn them up, that'll be about right. If you want to use the mic while you're up here, our mic that we've currently got is in channel 2. So you turn that one up, the volume for the mic there. So we've got volume for the mic, volume for the computer or whatever's plugged into our cord up there, and then the master volume there. Kia ora team, so just a quick note on how to turn off the sound system. So the first thing we do is turn off the amps, which are down here, 1 and 2. And then we come up here and hit the home button, and soft power, do not tick that, and confirm power off. It will do its thing. Once that's done, it will say that we are ready to turn off the sound system, in which case the switch is on the back here. We switch it off, and then we can switch it off at the power here.